All right, so here is the challenge problem from Tuesday. I'm going to first read the problem. So there are 15 classes going on a field trip. Each class has 23 students. How many students are going on the field trip? So this one has two double-digit numbers. From our problem one, it only had one, and it had a single digit. So this one's a little bit harder. So we're going to first start off. I know that I'm going to be working with the number 15. There's 15 classes of 23 students. So how many students are going on the field trip? So with that, I know I have 15 classes, each with 23 students. All right. So I'm going to first set up an area model. And here is my rectangle, and I'm going to, since I have two-digit numbers, I'm going to set up my area model with 4 boxes. I'm going to put my first number as my vertical number, so 15. And I'm going to break 15 up into 10 and 5. I'm going to multiply that by my second number. 23 is going to be up top. That's going to be 20 plus 3. Because eventually I want to do, knowing that I'm seeing how many students, so that's either addition or multiplication. And this is definitely multiplication because I have 15 classes with 23 students in each. So to find the amount of students, I got to multiply. So it's going to eventually be 15 times 23. All right, because I'm going to work my area model with my partial products. So first, I'm going to do the first box. This is a 5 by 20. All right. To do this easily, I know that 5 times 2 is 10. And I have one more 0, so I'm going to put that on there. So now I know 5 times 20 is 100. And even if you roll your 20s 5 times, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. My next one is going to be 5 times 3. I know that's 15. Going to go down below now. This is a 10 by 20. Okay. Again, I did 10. This line is the same as this line. So that's why I have 20 there. So this is going to be 1 times 2, which is 2. And I have 1, 2 zeros. And so I'm going to add 2 zeros. So 10 times 20 is 200. Again, if I roll my 20s 10 times, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, that is 200. And last but not least, my last box, which is 10, right there. And I'm going to do it by this line. This line is the same as up here. So it's going to be 10 times 3. And I know that's 30. Okay. Now I'm going to add these two. That makes 115. I'm going to add the bottom, which is 230. Going to add those together. It's going to give me 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 1 plus 2 is 3. That's going to give me 345. Some of you just wanted to do, some of you were just like, you know what? I just want to do the standard algorithm. So that would look like 23 times 15. Okay. So I know 5 times 3 is 15. So that's going to be 5. I'm going to carry the 1 over here. 5 times 2 is 10, plus another 1 is 11. You notice that this 115 is the top 115. I'm going to do my bottom now. It's going to be 1 times 3. But first, I know this is a 110. I'm not dealing with 1, so I know a 0 goes down below there. So now I'm going to do 1 times 3, which is 3. Then I'm going to do 1 times 2, which is 2. Notice that this 230 is the same as that 230. Now I'm going to add, and that's going to give me also 345. So if you like the standard algorithm, do that. That is what you need to be doing in 5th grade. Okay, I want you to be 5th grade ready. But if you need the area model to kind of help you set everything up, Again, partial products. You could add all 4 boxes, you'd get that. Okay, whatever you choose to get comfortable with, but eventually you need to get to the standard algorithm. All right, we're going to finish this up with answering our question with our statement. How many students are going on the field trip? There are 345 students going on the field trip. And there is our answer. All righty, we will see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of the day.